everybody, and welcome back to Vision Grows. Today we're going to do an unboxing of some seeds that I just ordered. And whether you're a seasoned grower or a newbie, this is going to be a fun journey. And it's going to be interesting to see the varieties that we get. So let's dive right in. Got mail. We've got mail. If you're old enough to remember that. All right, let's dive right in. Since our first package, let's go with this one. These are from 420 Fast Buds. And it starts off with the first one. These are Autoflower's feminized premium seeds, they say, which is the Sour Jealousy.
Go ahead.
So the Sour Jealousy is a Autoflower from Fast Buds, 420 Fast Buds. It's supposed to have a diesel, earthy, sort of a flowery, sour smell. So we'll find out what that is after we grow it, since this is our first real sour. So it says the THC is supposed to be up to 29%, but we all know that depends on the grower, how well the grower can bring out the characteristics. Let's see, the size is supposed to be extra large. The flowering is 10 weeks, so I imagine that'd be 10 weeks from seed. And it is a Sativa Dom 7525. So that's Sour Jealousy from Fast Buds. Then they sent us some freebies. Gorilla Cookies Auto. I don't know how many are in here, but it's always good to get some freebies. All right, let's move on to this next one. This one's gonna be a nice little surprise because it's a lot in here. Oh, look at all these stickers. All right, so as far as our purchase, we have OKC from Ethos. And OKC is wedding cake times jelly bean times triangle kush times mandarin cookies, which all comes out to be orange kush cake. Orange kush cake R1. So I guess that's reversed once. Reverse once by Ethos. Boom, boom, boom. And that's that. And then we got a Citradelic Sunset, which I believe is a photo period because it says 60 days and not 8 to 10 weeks. And this Citradelic Sunset is Ghost Train Haze times Mandarin Sunset. Yeah. Now, there's a bunch of freebies here. Well, not a bunch, but they sent us 2 packs of Grandpa's cookies. And then I got a pack of freebies from North Atlantic Seed Company. And let's see. We're just gonna go ahead and open these and see what freebies they sent us. Besides these white labels, and I learned about white labels just recently in my last purchase. You want to buy a cultivar or a strain from a seed bank, you need to specify your breeder. Otherwise you'll get white labels, which is like bulk. So we got Blackberry Moonstones Autos. And they sent us 2 of these. One of them stuck in the thing, but Blackberry Moonstones Fem Autos. Yeah, and got my Ethos sticker. Got my North Atlantic Halloween sticker. And uh-oh, look at this. They just I'm all freebied up today. And then we got 2 El Diablo autos. El Diablo autos. So we got a little bit of research to do so I can decide which ones I want to run now, because the garden is full, but they're all young, so I don't know when I'll have room or if I need to make room.